Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 23rd of November 2021, taking a look at Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin's back in the cloud. I mean, that's not a big change. It's been inside the cloud now for the trading inside the cloud, at least for the past, this is the sixth day in a row it's been inside the cloud. The last time it was inside the cloud, it kind of consolidated and did what it does when it's inside here, just miserable price action and sideways activity. And that was back in September, and then we know what happened there. It just kind of broke out of it and started to push on towards new all-time highs. Same thing happened with it before. In July, when it went inside the cloud, it eventually broke out above it. It was a little bit more directional and one-sided there back in July. So is that going to happen again now? When you look at the behavior of the percent B in both instances, the recent ones where we've been trading inside the cloud this year, with the exception of what's back here in April. Though, did we enter? No. Okay. So we were inside the cloud in July and in September. The percent B was trading near those extreme lows, near the zero line. Both times that's where we're at again. Then we look at the composite index. The levels we were at, you can see that we were trading at 10 here, same level, mostly here in September. And then that's pretty much where we're at again here in November. So those levels are the same. The only thing that's a little different is the position of the RSI, which has moved higher as the lows have moved higher. So that's what we've got going on there. Ideally, what we would have seen happen here ever since it made that new all-time high back on the 10th is that the drop would have generated the RSI, generated a deeper drive lower where we would have tested 40, creating some hidden bullish divergence there. But of course that did not play out, which is fine. And it's now that it's inside the cloud and we're this is in the US here, it's the Thanksgiving week. And so pretty much by the end of today, a lot of stuff is done as far as like trading and everything. I mean, we've got stuff. You've got Thursday is Thanksgiving, then you have Friday, which everybody's off, and then you have the weekend. So there's about 4 or 5 days where the crypto market's going to lose a lot of participation, and that Bitcoin's inside the cloud is really representative of that kind of mood that it's going to be in. So I'm not saying that there can't be some really explosive bullish activity or bearish activity. It's just that it's inside the cloud and you're in this holiday, which is one of the biggest holidays of the year in the US, where a lot of people just take time off, spread COVID-19 to everybody, eat turkey, and then it's just, I mean, I'd be surprised if there was I wouldn't be surprised if there was some crazy price action, but also not expecting there to be some. So just looking at it here, I mean, I would expect it to oscillate between 53K and 60K, over the next 4 or 5 days. And then we'll kind of look at it again on Monday and see what it does. But, it's going to be interesting. Just don't expect a lot to happen, but don't be surprised if it does. And so again, those price levels that I'll be looking at are really between 53 and 60K as far as the range that'll trade over the next few days, 4 or 5 days, that is. We'll just kind of update it and go from there. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have had a good start to your week. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.